Hey guys, quick video today. Today's video is going to be how to install LUTS. Very simple, very easy to do. Go to C, Program Files, Adobe, Adobe Premiere Pro. Go down to Lumetri, LUTS, Creative, and it's all there. You just paste all your files into there. Then when you load up Adobe, you go to Look and you can pick something and it would just change the color of your video. And these are the LUTs that I've installed. Some of them are manually here, but some of these are just what I've installed. So yeah, so that's how you install LUTs. Cheers.